Bose sound system. 6 seats. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. Carbon fibre. 4 exhausts.
Do they pass the fist test?
Yeah, that's the fist test.
They're titanium as well, aren't they?
Yeah, it's Iranian.
Iranian?
So 3.8 twin turbo. 20-inch Ford alloy. Ta-da! You can fit your kid in here, and can you fit golf clubs in here?
I think you could, yeah. No problem at all.
I could easily fit in here. Which one would you prefer, electric or petrol? Which one would you prefer?
I think there might be an easy winner on this one, Max.
I know where Cecily got this idea from.